No, you have to understand. I'm trying to get a thumbnail. Don't judge me. Hey guys, what's the scene? It's your girl Kimberly Rain back at it again with another video. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if you're a new viewer, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you found my video. If you find yourself enjoying my video at any point in time, I just ask you to take one quick second to just click the subscribe button below and click the notification button so you'll be notified whenever I post another video. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got this really cute little wash and go style. This is like my second wash and go I've ever done, and it came out so well. So I can definitely say wash and goes are the way to go. They are my favorite. They are the way, they are the truth, they are the light. Like look at this. Look how juicy, look how defined, look how lovely these curls look. And I'm gonna show you how I got that right now.
Okay, so using my Aunt Jackie's half and half to moisturize my hair. A spray bottle to keep my hair moist, butterfly clips to section my hair, a diamond brush to detangle, and my Jamaican black castor oil eco styler gel. I'm gonna begin on freshly washed hair, and then I'm gonna start to section off my hair. And then we have it in 6 sections because although I have a teeny weeny afro, my hair is hella thick, so I need to separate it really badly. And starting off with the leave-in, you're just gonna work that in there and then follow up with your gel. And really get those roots because we don't want puffy roots for a wash and go. Rake through your hair, and then I go in and really concentrate on defining my curls using the shingling method because I like each curl to pop. Each curl is a star in its own right. So here I'm just gonna break it down again for you. This time I'm showing you how I detangle with the diamond brush. Sprayed my leave-in, work that in there. Add the gel again. And then again, we're just gonna rake through the hair first to start to get the curls to separate, and then really go in and define each curl. And this also helps to eliminate frizz. If you want to further eliminate any frizzy parts, you just add more gel. And here I'm just going to show you all the same thing again in the front of my hair. Same gel, same defining, same raking and shingling. Guys, look how defined my curls are. They are so cute and popping. Oh, I'm obsessed. So I'm just showing you the difference without gel in my hair and with gel in my hair. The definition is crazy. And now I'm just giving my hair a little shake to separate the curls. And then I got the idea, so let me actually try and style my wash and go this time. I use my jumbo bobby pin and a rat tail comb to just create a part, and we don't want no crooked parts because we crooked people. So I'm just gonna brush back all that hair and then use 2 jumbo pins to pin back my hair, and then another 2 jumbo pins to pin up that portion of my hair so that we get this nice little separation and, I don't know, like a dip between the part. And that's all there is to it.
Okay, and that's the end of that. As you can see, I'm a cutie patootie right now, and I'm really feeling myself like this natural glam thing. Ain't too bad. My boyfriend actually has a point. He's right. Natural is the way to go. You were right, babes. I just want to say that all products mentioned in this video will be linked in the description box below, as well as the tools I used, and you can find them in your local beauty supply store. So for my Trinis out there, you know that is Pennywise. Yeah, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you come back for more, and I hope you click subscribe. And I hope I'll see you in another video. Bye.